All right, so we're going to take a quick tour around the quilt block mockups and how to use this part of the course. So, first things first, this area right here, these are your master templates. You are not going to mess with these for any reason. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add a page and we are going to select the ones that we want to work with. So, Canva does not like it when you right click. So you're going to have to use your keyboard shortcuts. So to copy, we're going to click and then hit Command C. And then we're going to come down here and hit Command V. All right. And I'm just going to work with two right now. So Command C, Command V. These are going to be super cute together or not. We'll find out. All right. So I'm going to line these up and that looks good. I think I'm going to make a 5x5 grid. So to duplicate these, instead of copying and pasting over and over and over and over, I'm going to select both. And then I am going to hold down the click button on my mouse and the Alt button on my keyboard, scoot them over until they line up. Now I've got 4. I'm going to do one more that way. So now I've got 5. Oh my gosh, it's looking so cute. All right, so to get the next row, we're going to need to only select 4. You're going to click Alt and drag to move those. Make sure they're lined up. And then click Alt drag this guy to bring it over here. Oh, this is looking adorable. All right, and now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to duplicate this whole area, click Alt drag. And then we're going to do the same thing with the top row to make it the bottom row so that we have our nice 5x5. Click Alt drag. So cute. All right, that is, and they're not perfectly lined up. Like if you want to zoom in, you can zoom way the heck in and like line these up perfectly. I don't get too concerned about that because, this is just to play with your colors and whatnot. So here's the fun thing that they are all SVGs. And that basically means I loaded them into Canva in a way that allows you to change the colors. So you can change the color on each colored area on each block. Or if you go down here, you click change all, it changes that color for the entire document. It also changes that color up here too. So take with that what you will. You can lock these so that they aren't affected, but like you have to unlock them individually, and that's a lot of work. Honestly, it doesn't bother me to have a bunch of weird, funky colors up here. So you can always reset these when you go to start a new design. All right, and the other thing, we're going to go ahead and undo that because that color is a little much. So once you get your layout done down here and you're like, okay, cool, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with my colors. Now I need to figure out how many I need to make of each block. You right click on the block, you go down to info, and it is block 16. And then you go to this one, right click, info, this is block 43. So you know that you're going to need 13 of block 23, whatever it was, and 12 of block 16. And then you're going to go over to your Scrap Academy. You're going to go over to your block vault lesson and find block 16 or whatever it was, and you'll find the cutting instructions in the table for making 12 of those. And then you'll find the cutting instructions for making 13 of each block so that you can make your grid. Okay, so if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram or email me and let me know, and I will be happy to get back to you and enjoy creating.